Hey guys, this is SoulRack333 with another video, and here I have something totally different than my normal stuff. And here is my small collection of Rubik's cubes, and I just started playing with Rubik's maybe about a year ago, and I finally figured out how to solve the 3x3. I lost one, and then I bought another one, and then I found the one I lost, so I wanted two. Then I found, a little keychain one, so I can play with anywhere I go. And then I found the 2x2, which is pretty cool. And then just recently I found a 4x4, and I bought a second one just in case I could never figure out how to solve one. And then surprisingly I figured out how to solve it, so pretty cool. So here's my small collection of Rubik's cubes. I even found another one from 5 and Below. So they're fun. I still have to use cheat sheets to solve them, but I like playing with them. And then what I did was made an all-white Rubik's Cube, an all-red one, green, yellow, orange. So basically I bought 6 Rubik's Cubes, took it apart, and then put all of the colors together. I took one apart and then figured out that I actually didn't need to do that at all. I just use an X-Acto knife and very carefully fit it in between the tile and the black edge, and just kind of very carefully wedged it in and then pried it. Sometimes it was difficult, sometimes it popped out very easily. Once I figured out a rhythm, then they started to pop out pretty easily. But if you're going to do this very carefully. I did not cut myself. I mean, that's how many tiles there are, and I had to do them one by one, and luckily I didn't cut myself. But as you can see, one color is missing. Here's what it looks like with all the tiles removed. This one I actually took totally apart before I realized I didn't have to do that at all. So here are all the blue tiles, and they just pop in. And it's actually very satisfying to hear them pop in there. And all of the center squares have a screw, and I guess that's what you do to tighten or loosen the cube. Each tile has 4 I guess teeth sticking out that clip on. And once you pry it in there, they just pry it in there like that, and then it just pops off. The hardest part is just getting it in there without cutting anything too. So there's one side complete. So I guess this is the modern version of peeling off the stickers and put them all back together. But now I wonder if the people that peeled off the stickers put them in the right position. Side 2 complete. But when I got my first cube, I thought about doing this, and but I knew it would be kind of expensive to get 6 extra cubes to do this. But if you maybe buy a little bit, one here, one there, and just be patient. Third side complete. Then you can do this So you can see a little piece of plastic. Yeah, that's probably one that I cut a little bit. You can see a little bit of a cut there. And I guess if you break one of those little teeth and it doesn't hold, you can just glue it in place. So about 4 minutes into doing this, it's a lot easier to put back together. It's a lot easier putting the tiles back in than removing them. So imagine doing this times 6. One more tile to one more side to go. And final piece. So now I have my blue cube. Look, it's solved. They are all solved and complete. So yeah. Does it serve a purpose? Nope. Does it do anything? Nope. But I think it's neat. I can just fiddle with a cube and not worry about messing it up because it's all the same color. Maybe I'll do it with these. Or this one. But yeah, there are my 6 solid colored cubes. Thanks for watching.